Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed negative today, just taking support around the 20 daily moving average, which is very close, but still I'll be expecting a little more correction from these levels, at least to 5750, which is close to 40 daily moving average, which is this green line here, and then a good pullback on the upside. The momentum indicator has just given a negative crossover, so the strategy should be to sell on rise, even if the markets bouncing back to the previous swing high, which is around 5950 levels. If it closes, if it bouncing back to 5950 or 6000 levels, that will be a good opportunity to go sell, because the momentum indicator is on the sell side. On the hourly charts, there was a good consolidation in this area, so markets have taken support at around those areas, which is around close to 5800, 5850 levels. I'll be expecting a bounce from these levels, but that will be a opportunity to sell, because still downside targets are left. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts have given a buy signal here with positive divergence, so I'll be expecting this bounce, but the bounce should be utilized to go short. Bank Nifty again closing below 20 and 40 daily moving average, which is a negative sign, but I'll be expecting a good bounce in this index, because today we've seen a good pullback after making day's low. We've seen a good pullback in the last hour. The momentum indicator has given a sell signal, so I'll be the strategy should be to sell on rise, but I think the pullback would be around till 10,500. So 10,500 would be a good level to go short again in this index. Support would be around 9,900 and 9,700. Resistance would be around 10,330 and 10,600. So overall, friends, in index, I think a pullback mode is expected, and a pullback should be utilized to go short, but the medium term outlook still remains positive. So these short positions should be on hold only for some time, just in the short term, not for a very long term or a very positional trade for a very 2 or 3 expiry sessions. Infosys is looking negative. This ending diagonal pattern has broken on the downside. It is trading below 20 daily moving average. The momentum indicator is on the sell side, so I'll be expecting the stock to go down till at least 2800 or 2700 in the short term. Support would be around 29, 22 and 2800. Resistance would be around 3055 and 3120. Second stock I've chosen is Jindal Steel. Even this stock has completed a ABC pullback, and this trend line has just broken today. So I'll be expecting a good sell off in this stock. Support would be around 235 and 219. Resistance would be around 250 and 262. So overall, friends, short term still remains negative. So in the very immediate run, once we get a good pullback, I think that will be a selling opportunity, and in the short term the targets would be around 5750 again. So only in the short term small traders, short term traders could trade, but the strategy should be to sell on rise, not at these levels. As soon as we go up till 5950 or 6000 levels, that will be a good level to go short again, and the target should be around 5750. Thank you so much.